that it is detailed. Feel like my mother is right here telling me how meditation is good. Except that depressing part, everything else is fine.
Does the interface look easy to use?
Yes, then going through the site, I can see that it's very graphic and it's very interactive. It's pretty simple as well, so it does not, hack the minds of the user. Plus, I can see that you've covered majorly whatever there is to be covered regarding this topic. So yeah, I think it's a very impressive website as such.
Which feature looks most useful to you?
I think I like the chatbot. It's very interesting. Sometimes people are not very comfortable sharing their problems with others. So an AI chatbot is very helpful for taking the first step.
Would you use chatbot to talk about stress?
Yes, I think I would use it sometimes. Like if I'm getting stressed late at night and I do not want to bother someone. So yeah, I think using it could be very helpful.
If this chatbot could read your thoughts for one day, would you still use it?
I don't think I would be comfortable with that because our thoughts can be very random and personal, and chatbot can be help with stress management but not what I'm going through and what my personal mind is.
Do you use any mental health apps right now?
Sometimes I use meditation apps to relax or focus, especially during stressful work periods. But I haven't used a platform that combines many features like this before.
If this chatbot replaced your best friend for advice, would you survive?
Honestly, I think I might survive for basic advice like managing stress. So basically, it organizes my daily tasks. But for real life drama or emotional support, I'd like to still see my best friend because he gives many advices.
Would you prefer a website like this or an app?
So basically, I'll prefer a website because it is convenient. You can access it from anywhere without downloading anything or doing any stuff. So it makes it really easy to use whenever I need. Like I don't need to download, and website is easy to mitigate as well.
Would you rather went to a chatbot or a real person?
I would probably start with the chatbot because it feels private and less awkward. But if the problem is serious and it is like I want some human interaction, then I would definitely prefer talking to a real person who can truly understand my emotions.
This website from 1 to 10?
I'd give it a 9 out of 10. It's look like very practical platform for the people who want to track their mental health and build better habits.
What should be improved in this website?
Improving the chatbot responses and making them more personalized could make the platform even more helpful and responsive.